balancing word equations are going to be the same as the equations you've already balanced. Okay, so it's just like these, but what have we added here? We've added words, milk of magnesia, so it's telling you this compound is milk of magnesia, is an N-acid, and neutralizes stomach acid, hydrochloric acid. What else is in here? States of matter, solid, aqueous solution, solid, liquid, G is gas. Remember, these come from your notes. Okay, so these are actual real equations with the states of matter. You're going to do it the same way though, okay? The ones that have only carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens, those are the tricky ones. So remember, when you're balancing these, do carbon first, then your hydrogen, then your oxygen, okay? So, like for example, on number 2, I've got 2 on the left, 1 on the right of carbon. Hydrogen, I've got 2 on the left, 2 hydrogen on the right, 2 oxygen on the left, and I've got 1 oxygen on the right. So this tells me I need more carbon and oxygen on my right hand side. Okay, so what happens if I put a 2 there? If I put my 2 there, what happens? Now I have how many carbon? 2. How many oxygen do I have? I've got 4 plus this one over here, so now I've got 5 oxygen, which isn't going to work, right? Because we don't want an odd number. So what should we probably do right there? And I just noticed oxygen should be 3 right there. I'm going to stop this video. Balancing word equations. Okay, we're still just balancing. What have we done? We've added words to go with our actual reaction here. So this is telling me this magnesium hydroxide is milk of magnesia, and it's an antacid, and I'm going to neutralize it with, or is going to neutralize the stomach acid, this hydrochloric acid. This is telling me it's a solid, an aqueous solution, a solid, a liquid. States of matter from your notes. Down here we've got gases. This is a gas. Acetylene gas is used as an oxyacetylene torch to produce enough heat to melt steel. So this is a combustion reaction. So here we've got acetylene gas plus oxygen gas produces carbon dioxide gas and liquid H2O or water. Now you can write H2O this way, or you can write it this way. Okay, so let's look at this, because when you have only carbons, hydrogens, and oxygens, always do your carbon first, then hydrogen, then oxygen. So let's do our counts here. We've got 2, 2, 2. That one's easy enough. And then I've got 1, 2 hydrogen. I've got 2 oxygen here plus the one here, 3. So already I know that I need to get this into an even number. So the easiest way to do that is put a 2 there. So once I put a 2 there, that's telling me, right, that I'm going to have how many total oxygen? I've got 2 plus 2, so that's 4. Okay, so let's go back to our carbon. Okay, so I know that I need to put a 2 here, right? So that will give me 2 carbon. But when you put that 2 here, how many hydrogen do I have now? I've got 4, right? So if I've got 4 hydrogen, I need 4 over here, so I'm going to have to put a 2 here to get the 4, but what does that do to my carbon? That now makes that 4 also. So I know I need to go back and change this to what? It was 1, so I'm going to get rid of that. 1 times what is 4? 4, so I need a 4 there. So there's 4 carbon. Now we're going to count that oxygen. So there's 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 oxygen. So 2 times what is 10? 5. And that'll give me 10. Okay, so our answer is 2, 5, 4, 2. That's a really hard one. That's why I wanted to do that one with you. But just remember, when you go down here to number 4, do carbon, then hydrogen, then oxygen. Let me know if you need help.